Hi everyone, welcome back. My name is Melina if you are new here, and today's video is going to be a vlog style. I'm just going to kind of take you guys along for all parts of my small business day, whether I am dabbling in some new products, maybe, or organizing because there's a big project that I need to organize. Pretzel. Hey, what are you doing? Pretzel. Hello. Yes, we do let him on the bed. It's been a struggle, but you guys have mentioned that you would like to see more of our life over here, running our small business and all the other things. So I am dressed today. I'm honestly just dressed for baseball. We do have a game this evening and it is Mother's Day weekend, and I am in our bedroom right now because I need to make the bed. Not much left to do but put pillows on it. But let's do that, and then I'm just going to take you along for my day, whatever that looks like. Let me know if you like these types of videos. Does that make sense? That sounded weird in my head. But let me know if you like these types of videos, and let's just get to it. Okay, so we've got the bed made. Yay. I don't know if it picked up really good lighting in here, to be honest, so sorry about that, but we have the bed made. Now it is time to honestly figure out what we're doing next. I have no idea, but I know that there's a lot to do today, and it's only like 9:30, so let's go figure this out. Okay, right now we are in what should be a formal dining space within my home. It's at the front, which actually is across from my office over here, and this space currently is basically our little warehouse. We have a lot of boxes of inventory, not necessarily new things, just restock that we need to start working through. Like the beloved mojito is in this batch. We also have the spring collection restock, and that is just for the silver rings though. The gold rings are coming. And then some of the other colors and things that I just need to organize. Last weekend, we went ahead and got another IKEA, I think it's called Kallax. We like the 5x5, which is insane because it is the largest one that they have. But if you can see back here, I actually have one in the office, which is going to come out and be on this wall right here. And then behind the camera, there's another one. So you'll be able to see it here in a second when I start organizing some binders that I want to get rid of boxes, and eventually we'll have that one out here, and we really want to make the office space a true office design creative space, and this space be like where we pull product. So that's the plan. Let's just go ahead and start with, I don't know, emptying a box because I feel like there's just so much to do today that my brain is on overload, and I need to at least be productive in emptying 1, 2, 3 boxes and then go from there. But I also think the boxes I want to empty first are probably going to be the Checkmate collection. It's just easier for me right now, so I want to do that, get the colors in this Kallax system, and bring you along for that ride. So cue the music. Okay. That was a lot. I literally think I'm working up a sweat over here. I'm about to show you all the boxes I emptied, which was so needed for literally the past few weeks. I've been wanting to empty these boxes in a bad way, but we were waiting for the time to actually go purchase this because baseball's been insane. If you've been here a while, you know what it is. So we're coming to the end of the season for that. But to make time to actually go purchase this and make sure it fit in our car and then getting it together, we've actually had this for about 3 weeks. And then finally, Dalton was able to make it last night. And we have been able to put all of the Checkmate collection in here. So I will show you a close-up. But basically, my goal is to have 2 cubicles per color. I think that'll work because I've already sold quite a bit of this collection. And this was basically the overstock that I have not even listed yet. So when the inventory sells out online, I'm able to immediately put this inventory in, which love it. Rather be prepared than unprepared. But let me show you a close-up. Okay, so this is what it is looking like. We have Cafe Noir, and then it's empty cube, and then we have espresso, actually 3 cubes because this is a 5x5, and then we have latte, honey affair, cream, and then French kiss, cotton candy over here. Come on, there we go. But look at this, doesn't that look so pretty from left to right? So when it's fully filled, it'll look like that. I just love it. So cotton candy is right there, and then I've got some labels, the lavender, and then matcha over here. Of course, Pretzel in the background. He is my little employee for the day. And then let me show you the boxes that I just emptied. I feel so accomplished right now and productive. Okay, these are the boxes. I know I'm not very coordinated with that. This is an abundance over here that I still need to sticker, but oh my goodness, I'm gonna be able to get rid of all of these, and it makes me so happy. What do you think, Pretzel? You ready for it to go too? Yeah, time to go out the door. So I'm gonna take this stuff to the dump, and yeah, because breaking it down here and a recycle bin just isn't that big. So let's get to it. And I forgot that me and husband switched cars today, so I'm in his truck. I don't have my little setup to hold the camera so it might be a little wobbly, but where we're going now is I need to run to the bank to break $100 for the kids envelope because I'm not giving the school $100 for the lunch account. It's at the end of the year. Yeah, so I need to do that. I also have been obsessed with the H-E-B spinach artichoke dip. So I've got the artichoke dip, but I need more chips. So I'm probably going to do that. And then because it's Mother's Day weekend, I also need to get my mom a card for Mother's Day. I am incredibly late to this, but it's okay. It's Friday and Mother's Day is on Sunday. So we got this. Let's go. home from running errands, and it is now 1:33. So it is Friday. I don't know if I said this earlier on. It is Friday before Mother's Day. And so the kids are at school. I do have to leave the house by 3 p.m. to pick them up. Guys, if you pick your kids up from school, is it just everywhere that we all despise the carpool line? Like, I literally hate it. I hate going through that dang line. I don't know what it is, but here in Texas, so far, between two schools that I've had to do this at, people literally line up at like 2:15. The kids don't actually end their day until 2:45, and nobody even comes out of the building until 2:50. So tell me why you wait in that line. I will wait happily till 3, and I will still end up waiting in a 5-minute-ish line. So anyways, I got off track, but we did go to the bank and break that $100 into $10 bills. This is just to help with the reload of their lunch accounts. We went to H-E-B where I grabbed lunch. I did end up eating the sushi. Oh my gosh, H-E-B sushi is so good, and they were having some sales today. Went to Target because I needed to get my Mother's Day gift, which those frames I might have already mentioned. I always take photos of all of the kids and grandkids, to my mom. And I love just doing personal, meaningful gifts, something that can be used, repurposed, placed somewhere, and always remembered. So I am going to print some photos. I'm going to put them into the frames, and they were having a buy one, get one 50% off. Like, today was the sale day. I don't know. I think I scored several times. The chips were on sale, and that baseball game, oh my gosh, $40 off. Did y'all catch that? Insane. Anyways, it was a win today. So I feel like today was really successful in running the errands. I also got a lot of things organized out there. I hope you guys enjoyed those little snippets today. This is just kind of a fun intro into vlogging when I can do this. I might kind of curate these to be a week long where I just kind of start on Monday and go through the whole week of whatever I'm doing and then put them all together for like a Sunday upload. Maybe that's what I do. If I'm busy enough and not lazy over here. I mean, are we kidding? When do I have a moment? I think you guys even notice this about me. When do I get a moment? I don't know, but Sunday, Mother's Day, I hope to get several moments of just relaxation, and I hope you guys did or do, depending on when this is going up. But that is all I have for today's vlog, because since it is almost 1:40, I need to go ahead and create some more content for the Millennial Dollar over on Instagram, short form. It'll probably double post on TikTok, and especially when the kids are not home, because it is loud when they're here. What else? I think that's it. That's all I've got for you guys. So thank you so much for watching this. If you did, if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you're not yet subscribed, click this button right here. It'll add you to our community, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.